Hello, my name is Dr. Mike Grogan. I've been in primary care here in Northern Kentucky for the last 35 years. Thank you for tuning in to the Kenton County Library Pinterest Healthy Living series. I'd like all of you to understand that stress is a natural, normal, survival, or life enhancement body function. It primarily involves the central nervous system and the endocrine system. The effects that these systems have on the other organ systems of our body. Stress, rather than being viewed as a negative, should be viewed as a positive, as it is really the only thing that stimulates us to analyze and enhance our life. Stress reduction is most likely to occur when we employ simple, common sense health measures, such as good nutrition, exercise, and a good sleep pattern. Taking care of our body allows us the optimal opportunity to deal with stress when it does occur. One of my favorite quotes from Mark Twain, and I'll have to paraphrase it, best summarizes the actions we need to take to be best able to cope with stress and live a long and healthy life with a lot of happiness. Mark Twain said something to the effect of, good health and happiness comes from eating what you don't like, drinking what you don't want, and doing what you don't enjoy. Good nutrition, exercise, and water. Thank you for tuning in to the Kenton County Library Pinterest Healthy Living series. I hope that the information that you heard tonight was of interest and of some value to you. For more information, visit the Kenton County Library website or the GoBeyondMedicine.com website. Thank you.